I will always uphold the respect of my team and my comrades. Who am I?
I am a champion.
When I get into the battle, I will arrive violently. I will rip the heart of my damn enemy and leave him bleeding on the ground. Because who am I?
I am a champion.
To my sights. Because I believe in myself. Who am I?
I am a champion.
No matter how bad things go, my heart and my mind will carry my body when my limbs go weak. I do not believe in defeat. I will not die. Not now. Not here. I am born to win, and I will goddamn conquer whatever is given to me. Who am I?
I am a champion.